short video to show you how to access student assignments. Once you've logged into Spark Generation, on the left-hand sidebar, you will find Class Assignments. This offers you a view of your classes. You can click on the drop-down menu to access multiple classes and your list of students. For the purpose of this demo, I only have one student in my class. And over here on the right, you can see that there is one item to be reviewed. You can click on it and click on the assignment itself. Here I can scroll to the exercise and see my students' answers. For each of the answers, I can provide some feedback. And over here as well. This is not mandatory, it's optional, so you don't have to feel that you have to do it for every single exercise. You can also give an overall feedback for the whole piece of assignment. And click send. And here you can see and reflect back on when it was assigned, who it was for, or even delete the assignment if you change your mind on it. And once you have done the review, you can click on review and give feedback, and this will directly send it back to the student. And here you will see that there is a green square around the assignments, and it will be marked as reviewed.